Go.
Good afternoon, Doc. Ano sa'yo mong name?
Minerva Manligues.
Doc, what is your particular job assignment?
School dentist sa South Campus
Are you hired directly by the company or through an agency?
Company.
Ano sa'yo name
Directly.
sa company?
Diri, San Carlos.
Directly. Sorry. How long have you been working for
I've
the
been
company?
here since 1988, November.
Math.
So, dugay na kaayo, mga 88,
Math,
98,
friends, math.
98,
Hindi ko bala kung math ay
no, 98, 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12, 24.
24
Almost
years.
24 kay November pa man. 23 eh.
Dalaga pa rin.
Oo, dalaga pa po
How
din.
much is your salary? Kailangan dyan
Confidential.
Ay, confidential.
Ang salary. Nga, dugang mo? Dugangan
More or
inyo.
less. Estimated.
Estimate, mga, lately, we have an increase man. So, kamay lang good gihapon, mga 23 something.
23
23
friends.
Million.
something.
Million.
Monthly.
Monthly. Are you
Ano,
sa-
oh yeah, kana siya, monthly na siya. Pero we are given 15-30 pa, i-divide siya.
Are you satisfied with your salary?
Satisfied na lang ko because kanang naamo ko yung benefits bisan o di kayo dako na benefits na
Are you married or single?
married. So, ni para sa ni
Is your husband working?
Yeah,
How many kids do you have?
one only.
Do you
Siguro
own
ni na lang nagubag untaan na.
Do you own a house or you're renting?
Oh,
Do you have other plans in life?
yes, I have many plans. I have orchids, di bitaw. I have many plans. Oy. What plans are they?
Yes.
Sus ko yawa, what is this for one day? Ay, man, yeah, I have many plans. One of my plan is to tour the world, to tour Europe. May good travel, I mean. Travel and pa, to
What
build
is-
some kuan pa.
And then what is your wish or dream in life?
Wish. Muna, travel. Akong wish. Muna, no. Travel. Ang plan ako is to, lain dito akong plan. Ang plan is to make our own yun nga clinic ka na our own kuan di ay. Amo ang lot, amo ang building like that.
Thank you, Doc.
Mora asa mo na. Mo priso ko ana ha.
Minutes, Doc.
Okay, see